Here's a four-seam fastball. Here's a curveball. This is from the batter's perspective. In this video, we're assuming a right-handed batter and a right-handed pitcher. If you flip the hitter or pitcher, the horizontal movement flips, but the up and down movement stays about the same. So again, here's the four-seam fastball. From your perspective, it's a 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock spin. It comes in mostly straight and firm, and it can feel like it's rising a bit as it gets to the plate. Here's a two-seam fastball. From your perspective, it's more of a 7 o'clock to 1 o'clock spin with a little tilt. It looks like a fastball, but it usually runs in towards your hands and sinks a bit as it reaches the zone. Here's the curveball. From your perspective, it's a 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock spin. It's a top spin. It comes out looking a little higher, then drops sharply, usually down and away from you. Here's a slider from a right-handed pitcher. From your perspective, it's roughly an 11 o'clock to 5 o'clock spin. It starts off looking like a fastball, then snaps late, breaking down and away from you with a shorter, sharper move than the curve. Here's a sinker. From your perspective, it's around a 7:30 to 1:30 spin, a bit more tilted than the two-seam. It comes in like a fastball, then really dives late, running in towards your hands and dropping. Here's a splitter. From your perspective, it's a slightly tilted backspin, about 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock, like a fastball that's turning just a bit, but with much less spin. It looks like a heater out of the hand, then slows down and just drops, often straight down or down and a little away from you. Here's a changeup. It looks more like the seams are orbiting around the middle instead of a simple top to bottom stripe. It's thrown with fastball arm speed, but comes in slower, usually fading in and down, so you swing early and hit it off the end or over the top. Here's a knuckleball. From your perspective, it has almost no obvious clock spin. The ball just kind of wobbles with the seams dancing around. It can break in almost any direction on the way to the plate, so you're mostly guessing. These are pretty rare these days. And even more rare, here's the screwball. From your perspective, it's about a 1 o'clock to 7 o'clock spin, basically the opposite tilt of a normal curve. It dives down and in towards you instead of down and away. We hope this video is useful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and check out the Lucky Base Blab t-shirts, because studies have shown belief powers performance. And if you believe it's lucky, well, it might not hurt. Thanks for watching.